Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to update existing values and add new key value pairs in a Python dictionary. Dictionaries are dynamic, which means we can change them after creation. We'll look at how to modify existing entries using the key, how to add new keys to the dictionary, and we'll also learn how to use the update method. Let's head over to PyCharm and walk through it step by step. Go to your dictionary directory, right click on it, choose new then Python file. Let's name it dicty_update. Now open that file. We're ready to begin. Let's create a sample dictionary. So let's type person equals within curly braces. Now define three pairs: name : Alice, age : 30, city : Mumbai. Let's print it to confirm. Print function within brackets, type person. When you run it, you will see name Alice, age 30, city Mumbai. Perfect. Now let's say Alice moved to Delhi. We want to change the city from Mumbai to Delhi. So let's type person within square brackets, city equals within quotes Delhi. This line tells Python, go to the person dictionary, find the key city and update its value to Delhi. Then print the dictionary again. Print function person. Run the program and you'll see the city is now updated to Delhi. That's how you modify an existing value. Just use the key and assign a new value. So to update a value, use the syntax dictionary name open bracket key close bracket equals new value. Now let's say we want to store this person's email address. To do that, we'll add a new key called email and assign it a value. Let's type person within square brackets email equals within quotes alice@example.com. Now print the dictionary, print function person. Run the program. You will see a new entry email alice@example.com. That's how easy it is to add a new key. Just assign a value using square brackets. Perfect. There is also another way to update or add using the update function. Let's try it now. Let's type person.update within brackets within curly braces phone : within quotes 999-888-77777. This will add a new key called phone. Now print it. Print function person. Run the program. You can see the output. Phone has been added. You can also use update to modify an existing value. Let's try person.update within brackets within a curly braces age : 31. Now print it. Print function person. Run the program. You can see the output. Age should now be 31. So the update method works for both adding new keys and updating existing ones. Now let's quickly see one real world example like updating user information. Let's create a new dictionary called user. Define id : 501, name : Ravi, verified : false. Now the user completes verification. Let's update the verified status. Let's type user within square brackets verified equals true. Print the updated dictionary. Then let's also add the email. User within square brackets email equals ravi@mail.com. Now print again. Run the program and you can see the correct output with updated values. This is how dictionaries allow us to dynamically modify or extend data, just like a real-world user profile that evolves over time. Let's recap what we learned. We used square brackets to update existing values. We used square brackets to add new key value pairs. And we used the update function to do both in one line. These tools give you flexibility when working with dictionaries, especially when building user data, configs, or anything dynamic. In the next lecture, we'll learn how to delete items from a dictionary using del, pop, and clear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.